Good morning, everybody. I think we've got the live stream going here. My name's Elliott Martin. I'm an independent insurance agent. I work for Martin and Associates Insurance, and today we're going to be doing, and what I do is a Medicare topic of the day. And today, what we're going to be talking about is old employer group insurance still showing up in Medicare system. And so, what happens a lot of time when people are making the transition over to Medicare, a lot of times it can be after you've stayed on your employer plan for a number of years. Let's say you work till age 67, 68, and then you switched over to Medicare and set up all your Medicare. What can happen is your insurance through your former employer can still show up in the Medicare system. A way that if that does happen, because what we tend to see is if new clients of ours, maybe they'll go to the pharmacy or maybe they'll go to the doctor, and the provider's office or the pharmacy will try and provide benefits, and they'll submit just to check on things, and they'll see looks like there's something wrong. Medicare is not showing up as primary. The old employer group insurance is still showing up as primary, even though most likely it's been canceled already. So what you can do, there's a way to get your old employer group insurance removed from the system so that way your new Medicare plans show up. And they want to do this, and who you need to call is there's actually a specific department with Medicare. It's called the Benefits Coordination and Recovery Center. And their phone number, if you ever need to call them, is 855-798-2627. And actually this morning I had to call them. So that's why I'm making this topic, Medicare topic of the day about this, is because I've had a client now for 2 years. They've been on Medicare for 2 years, and they went to fill a prescription, or their doctor went to fill a prescription, and actually their old employer group plan from 2 years ago, it was canceled 2 years ago, was still showing up in the system. And so they would go to get it approved, and then the insurance company, obviously wasn't going to approve it because the policy had been canceled 2 years ago. So you want to call this Medicare coordination, or it's called the Benefits Coordination and Recovery Center, at 855-798-2627. They can actually tell you who's showing up as primary in the system, who's showing up secondary. And if you need to, you can remove old employer group insurance through there. This is one of the biggest headaches, and it only happens, it happens a lot more often than you'd think. I'd say maybe between 5 to 10% of our clients, we end up having to help contacting this Medicare coordinations department just to get the old employer group insurance removed from the system. So that's really an important thing, especially if you're trying to go see doctors, get prescriptions filled. You want to make sure that old employer group insurance is out of the way. So that way you can properly bill things through Medicare and have all that coverage that you're supposed to get started for that day. So that is today's Medicare topic of the day: how to remove old employer group insurance that's been canceled from the Medicare system. So that way you can have no problems with claims, billing, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. You can always contact our office, or if you have any questions, you can go to martinmedicare.com and visit us there. And feel free to reach out that way. If you have any questions, let us know. Comment section down below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.